Thokozani bantwana bedlozi, thokozani. Igama lami ngumkhulusanile. I'm based in Boksburg, Johannesburg. Bantwana bedlozi, today I would like to talk about my journey to being a traditional healer. Nyinyanga. Bantwana bedlozi, I suffered a lot. Ngagula. I was very sick. I had anxiety. I would cry out of the blue from nowhere. It was very sad for no reason. I just had this thing in me. I just had this feeling, Yoguti, I'm going to die. I don't know where it was coming from. It would just come in my mind. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I kept on hearing a voice that was telling me that you're about to die. So when I look at my children, I'll be like, oh shit. Oh, yeah. It's over. And I'm gonna leave my kids just like that. Then I'll start grieving. I'll start crying. I prayed. During that moment, I lost people in my life, people that were close to me. They started drifting. We started drifting apart, and I would ask myself, what's happening? Why are people avoiding me? Is it because of this death that's coming, or is something else? I had lots of questions I was asking myself. So I moved out from where I was staying to another place, but not very far from where I was staying. I'm speaking in English because I want to accommodate everyone. I had to go to live at a place which I never thought I would live at for some reasons. Abadala bangithatha bangisa lapho. It didn't make sense to me by then. Now I was this person who liked nje umnandi, but something came to me. It had to give me pray and change your lifestyle. I started praying. When I moved to that place, I looked tandaza, and I would have visions of izembatho, candles. I'll buy that, pray. No. And then, how? I started watching videos on YouTube of traditional healers, prophets. Then ngaba nento yokufila umkhulu Nkazimulu Thokoza Cash. He was saying things that would make sense to me by then, even now. Not dramatic, not exaggerating things. Umkhulu Nkazimulu will never come and talk about having money quicker and things as dons abantu nje that don't exist. Imali esheshayo, into ezibhedayo. No. I liked him. And then I got his numbers. I was like, let me just talk to this gentleman. I found a way of talking to him. Ngacela ukuhlola. Wazokhuluma into engizaziyo ezinye vele engangizicabangela. That's okay. Umkhulu Nkazimulu, help me. Amagobo. Alindlela yabadala. Then wanginceda ekuthini idlozi lami liphakame. Abadala baqala ukuza and they started talking to me, telling me what they wanted. And I did everything, and here I am now. I don't have anxiety anymore. I don't have panic attacks anymore. I would have panic attacks, and when I had panic attacks, I'll hear some drums. Yeah. Went to the doctors, I was giving them pills of anxiety. Just imagine. I thought I was losing my mind. Drums at 3 a.m. I'm shaking. Panic attack from nowhere. My mom was like, no, but she knew. It's just that we're raised in a different way, whereby we were going to Seventh-day Adventist and we never even followed idlozi. We never believed that idlozi existed. So sithi abalele obalele basha abadala bathi sizokhombisa ukuthi singobani. Now I'm a happy woman. Ngiyabonga Khehla. Ngiyabonga mkhulunkazi Mulu. Ngiyabonga ngayo yonke into oyenzileyo kusebenzisana nami. Yeah, I'd like to leave my numbers. Ngiyahlola abantwana bedlozi. Ngiyasebenza. Bashe ngiseJoburg, Johannesburg, Boksburg, East Rand. My cell number is 079 935 4947. 079 935 4947. Thokozani.